Hey y'all, welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Can y'all believe that it's 10 days till Christmas? I can't, and I still haven't got any Christmas shopping done. I am off work now and I just ran in Target. I ended up taking back that pullover I showed yesterday, the white Sherpa with the leopard hoodie. I tried it on and it just did not look that great. The size it fit, it just was kind of one of those things that made me look bigger than I was, and nobody wants that, so I ended up taking that back. And I actually did really good. I didn't get anything except milk and creamer because that's actually, well, I didn't even go in there for that. I went in there to take that Sherpa back and I was like, of course I can't go in there and not look a little bit. But I have got to get Christmas presents. So it is so gross and rainy. I don't know if y'all can kind of see, but it is just, it's 53, so it's not really that cold, but it's just gross weather. And honestly, I just want to get home because it's already a bunch of traffic and people for some reason can't drive in the rain. So right now it is 3:08 and I got me some popcorn from Target and it was $1.99 for this large bag. So yeah, that's all I got at Target. I took that Sherpa back and then I got milk and 2 things of creamer, and my creamer was actually on sale. And I can't believe I forgot to tell y'all this. Starbucks was buy one get one free. So I got 2 Starbucks for the price of 1. So I'm so excited. I'm not gonna drink both today because I've already had one, and if I drink both I probably won't be able to go to sleep, but I am really tired and it's just 3 o'clock, so I am gonna drink one, but I'm gonna save the other one for tomorrow. I am gonna go home, so I'll probably do dishes and laundry when I get home, and that's all. I had to work today. I can't remember if I said that or not. I may have. If not, I went to work today and it's pretty slow because it's just so rainy and gross, and I don't blame people for not wanting to get out in this. I don't want to get out in it, but I have to go to work. So I'm gonna quit talking and go home so I can get the vlog up and actually get some stuff done. So I will see y'all at home. So I am back home, and please do not judge me. I am wearing the same shirt that I've had on, I think, the past 2 days. But I don't wear it all day. I just change into it when I get home from work. Like I said, I wear the same comfy clothes all the time because they're just that. This shirt is the softest and comfiest t-shirt ever. But anyways, I am uploading today's vlog. My internet is so slow. I think it's just on 30-something%, and I've been uploading it, I think about an hour and a half it has been uploading, and it's still not even halfway. So I did the dishes and I started my laundry. I didn't think that y'all would want to see that, so I just went ahead and did that. And now I'm gonna try and clean my makeup room because it is a disaster. It usually becomes a disaster after a vlog shoot because I have everything nice and neat and together whenever I go to the shoot, and then during when I'm changing I just throw my clothes in the back seat, throw my shoes in the back seat, and then when I get home I just get it all out and then throw it in here. I'm probably going to kind of fast forward me cleaning it because it will probably take a while, and then I will show y'all the after. It is pretty embarrassing, but one of the main reasons I wanted to do these vlogs is because I want y'all to see my everyday real life, and I want you to know that I am not perfect. I've never claimed to be perfect. I'm far from it. My house isn't perfect, anything like that, and I know that I post pretty pictures on Instagram and on my blog, and if I do a try on session on Instagram or anything like that in my mirror, 99% of the time Actually, probably 99.9% of the time, I have just pushed everything out of the viewfinder and behind it is a wreck. So I just wanted to show y'all, like I said, real life. This is very embarrassing, but I don't have it all together. I hope that you don't think that, because I don't. And yeah, let's just do it. Y'all are just kind of give you an overview. This is the biggest disaster. See, I told y'all, it is awful. That's the second disaster. All of this isn't gonna take long to do, but just looking at it, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll start over here. This is my door. My pretty Audrey picture. I love all the pink. And then these are my two Shape Tape concealer inflatables that Tarte sent me for events and stuff. And Shape Tape is my favorite, so I thought that they would be really cute in here. But I don't really have anywhere to put them, so they're just back here behind my door. So this dress form is a gift from my mom a long time ago. I can't even remember when, it's been so long, but I think she got it for me for my birthday or Christmas one year. And but the pink tutu is from a race I did, and the boa and tiara on top is also from a race. Those are from a half marathon I did in St. Augustine, Florida. It was the Divas half marathon. And here's my ring light, a bunch of shoes. Here's my disaster of a makeup table. All of the stuff that's out is stuff I use pretty much every single day. All my dirty and gross brushes. But I have my lights on because it's pretty dark in here, so this helps give it more light. All my Jaclyn Hill stuff. So this sign is actually from makeup school. Everybody had their own sign on their little station, and this was mine, so I kept it. This is my beautiful mirror I got from at home. Some palettes that I need to put up. A picture that I eventually want to hang up. I was gonna hang it on this wall, but then I got that mirror and now I don't know where I'm gonna put it. And another picture back there. Actually, two pictures. And then I also have another one that my mom got me for Christmas. She went ahead and gave it to me. So these are all of the clothes. You can see my stylish outfit. But these are all the clothes that I shot the last photo shoot. Besides this, if you watched yesterday's vlog, I got that. And all of these clothes I have on my Poshmark to try and sell. And then these clothes on this end are looks I decided not to do. And the sequin backdrop, this is what I used when I film my makeup tutorials. Here is my calendar that I absolutely love. I got this at HomeGoods. It's so great to kind of stay organized. As you can see, I don't have anything written down. I need to put a bunch of stuff, but it has a place to put notes. And then it's dry erase, so you change the days and all of that. And then it has a checklist, notes, and upcoming. So these flowers have actually been here for probably about 1.5 years because they are from our wedding, and the stems are super long and I don't have anything to cut them with, but I want to cut the stems so I can make an arrangement to put in here. And then the gold flamingos are also from our wedding. I wanted to put them in my flower bed, but my husband didn't want to, but I may do it anyways, maybe one day when he's not home. And this is my gorgeous wedding dress that I am so obsessed with. I think it is just so pretty. I love all of the lace. And I know a lot of people clean it and put it in a box, but I didn't want to. What I would love if I had room is put it in a huge shadow box, but there is no room whatsoever anywhere in the house. So I had this dress form. Also, this one I know was a Christmas gift from my mom, so she got me that, and I just love having it displayed. All this junk. So that bag is empty, so I can put it up, but both of these were my blog shoot bags. I put my shoes in the striped one, so I still have some shoes in there that I need to get out. That plastic garbage bag is stuff I want to give away. And then the pink fur is maybe eventually one day going to be a vest. I got that fabric and a pattern and lining and everything to make a fur vest, but I have not done that yet. No telling when that's going to happen. Some more shoes. And then this is posters for upcoming work events. As you can see, it is a disaster. So I don't think it's going to take too long because a lot of this stuff is just putting stuff away. So I'm going to try and do that. And let's see, what time is it? Ugh, 6:40. I'm hoping it is taking forever for my video. So, okay. So I'm going to try and clean this mess. Need to find a place to put y'all. Okay, it looks a little bit better, even though it's still looks kind of messy. And I wanted to leave that bag out because I really need to go through some more clothes and shoes and try and get rid of some more. So I wanted to leave that out to kind of remind me to do that. I didn't really clean any of my makeup table. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog because it's 8 o'clock now. So I'm done cleaning. I need to finish up laundry. I need to get my husband's out of the dryer because this is its third time being turned back on. And then I need to put my clothes in the dryer, so I need to finish up that. And I haven't ate supper yet. I've kind of been snacking. So I'm going to eat. I have leftover Mexican from last night that I picked up on my way home from work, and tomorrow I work again in Chattanooga. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my makeup room and a little bit of my real life disasters, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.